Hi, third graders. Good late afternoon. I'm about to show you how to do a cityscape reflection or canal row houses by a wharf. A wharf is like, like a little harbor, and the buildings are reflected in the water. So it's very simple. All you're gonna need are some washable markers, a permanent marker to start. I'm not even gonna do the buildings in pencil first, but let's make a frame. Kind of a squarish rectangle frame to hold the houses. And name at the bottom. And class, whichever third grade class you're in. I'm going to do question mark. That's a question mark because I'm not sure which one you're in. 26. Okay, here I go. I am going to create a line. And my row houses, they're going to be just simple, maybe a little swoop to the roof. Simple, kind of like Dutch Amsterdam houses, maybe a tall trapezoid roof on this one. Different shaped houses. This one's like a little more stout, shorter, maybe with a scalloped bottom. This one could be triangular. Let me make a roof line there. Here's another mansard roof. Whoops. And I'll end with a little triangle. And then let's put some doors. You could have a center door. You could have one to the side. You could have one to another side. You could have a tall one. Maybe another center one. Make your doorways any way you want. Go back and make your windows. And then we're going to color with washable markers our buildings. Maybe these are a little different. Could even do it, maybe detail them a little differently. Okay, so you could do some window panes. All right, now I'm just going to close this marker. These are washable markers. Hopefully you have some at home. And I like the wide side. These are double-ended. They have different tips on the ends. So I'm just going to color them. Oh, this is a very dried out one. Let me try color them any way you want. And now I'm going to take a piece of plastic. You will need a little sheet of plastic, maybe from a Ziploc bag or something else. That's going to give us our watery reflection. Going pretty quickly. You can go slower than I am. Take your time. That's the pointy side. Harbor houses or cityscape reflection. That's what we're calling this project. Okay. Now I'll do this one green too. I just want you to see the plastic overlay. We're going to put a plastic overlay with matching color. How about a dark blue for these? Going kind of quickly. Maybe I'll do this one, a purple house on the end. Oh, that's a nice strong purple. Now the plastic is going to look kind of watery, which is the effect you want. So here I'm going to try to match the colors. Here's my plastic. I'm laying it on there. I'm going to go a little higher. Oh, let me make it to the size. It's a little big. And this is kind of fun. You could play around with this at home. Any kind of plastic you have. And I'm just going to go over and match the color of the house I tried to make a print of this before and it didn't really work for me. So I think what you should do is just flip the plastic over and tack it down to this part, and that will be your reflection. You could color the doors a different color. I'm going to quickly do this so you could see. It does repel it a little bit. It's beating up a bit because it's plastic. But that's kind of neat. You want a watery effect. I want to go for a different green. You know, experiment and play. That's what it's all about. Okay. Here's the yellow. And I'm going to finish up with a pink. I'm going around the windows. You could also color the windows. I'm leaving mine sort of white right now, just so you get the full effect. And let me try this, a deeper pink for the first building I made. Okay. There's the mansard roof. And you know, you can even go over some of the other colors and do color blends. See what you get. All right, let's try it. I'm going to flip it over and you should get like the reflection. It's very nice. That's it. So now I'm going to take a little glue. This should dry clear and just tack it. Tack it down. So a little glue to hold it. And there you have it. Your cityscape reflection.